Hi guys, this is mamTa. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with most requested video, how to do young soft makeup look like Korean girls. So let's get started. So starting with my clean and moisturized face, I'm going to use this primer from Etude House. So for the foundation, I'm going to use this Benefit Hello Happy Soft Blur Foundation, and I'm in the number 2. And if you guys are looking for a foundation for daily use, then this foundation is for you because it gives you a CO2 medium coverage, plus it gives you a matte finish look, which is perfect for summer. So as always, I always forget to moisturize my lips. So here I'm moisturizing my lip with my Body Shop Shea Butter Lip Balm, and then I'm concealing plus highlighting my face with my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer and blending with my Beauty Blender. So to set my face, I'm going to use this Fenty Beauty blotting powder. So for the eyebrow, I'm going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade Medium Brown and try to make my brow as straight as I can because they have a straight and thick brows. So to set my eyebrow, I'm going to use this Benefit 24-hour brow setter. So first I'm going to set my eyelid, and then taking this Morphe 39A eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take this beautiful color as my first color and mostly focusing on my eyelid and gradually building the color. So now I'm going to take this warm brown color just to intensify this look, and then dragging a little bit on my lower lash line as well. So I'm going to take this beautiful color as my eyelid color and applying with my finger. And again, I'm blending with my blending brush so that it doesn't look harsh. So as always, I'm going to use my Maybelline eyeliner and creating a small wing. So now I'm going to use this brownish color and applying on my lower lash line to give that soft smoky effect. So now I'm going to curl my eyelashes and apply some falsies, and then I'm going to finish up my eye makeup with my mascara. So back to my face. Now I'm going to contour my face with my Etude House contour stick. And again, I'm going to blend it with my trusty beauty blender and then set it with my Hoola bronzer. So for the highlighter, I'm going to use Wet n Wild highlighter, especially on my inner corner, brow bone, cheekbone, and a little bit on my nose. So for the blusher, I'm going to use this Benefit blusher to get that naturally blush look. And then for my lip, I'm going to use this Milani lipstick. It's in the set Precious. And this is our final look. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.